In this video I'll be discussing and going over some changes I'm making to my handlebars on this felt cyclocross bike. As I've talked about in my prior videos, I've done a few projects on this bike. I've had it for a number of years. It's my all-around commute, gravel bike, cyclocross race bike, and it's a real fun bike to ride. So in any case, it's pretty stock other than the conversion to one by and tire changes. And I, after riding this for a few years, have decided to try a carbon bar. And as you can see, it's rather embarrassing, but this tape has never been replaced. And this Ergonova bar. And as it turned out, when I went to look for it, found a deal online. So this is close to a $300 handlebar, which is remarkable. I got it for a very small fraction of that, and it is just about the same size. It's a little bit different kind of profile. So from end to end, it's the same at the dropouts, but then the top, actually, I'm looking at it now, kind of has a little bit of a narrower curve. But what's really cool is this egg-shaped oval top where you're going to be resting your hands a lot of the time. It also has the some through cable routing, kind of cleaning up so you don't have the cables underneath your hands, which is primarily where I've had the tape come undone and feel these cables kind of move and shift as I'm gripping. So 327.2, 226.6. So about 100 grams lighter. I have to pause because I'm going to need to get some new cables. My brake cable frayed and ended up binding up in the housing. Couldn't figure it out until I realized it had done. I had to send some cables back and get the right housings, and finally trying to fish the cables through here proved to be a little bit of a challenge. Well, that was fun. This is the first bar wrapping job I've done ever, so really impressed with this tape. Slightly embarrassing, but I had the original wrap on here when I got the bike, and I had actually, it was all coming free, and I had most of it covered with electrical tape. This is the Snelly brand tape, and really impressed with the kit. It's really thick. It has adhesive that you peel off. Came with the end tape for finishing it off and an end cap.